if in triangle ABC, angle C is 90 degrees, show that a square plus b square by a square minus b square is equal to cosecant a minus b. See now. Since C is 90 degrees, therefore C square is equal to a square plus b square. I want to explain this by just drawing a rough diagram. This is triangle ABC in which C is 90 degrees. This is small a opposite A, small b, small c. This is 90 degrees. You can see by Pythagoras theorem, C square is equal to a square plus b square. So, when C is 90 degrees, it follows that C square is equal to a square plus b square. Let me take your problem now. Left hand side. A square plus b square by a square minus b square. May I therefore write C square by a square minus b square. By proportionality of signs, watch carefully. Sin square C by sin square A minus sin square B. Sin square C by sin square A minus sin square B. This has been done several times. Otherwise, also remember proportionality of signs of triangle. C is 90 degrees, so I am writing sin square 90 degrees. This is the formula for sin A plus B into sin A minus B. Remember this formula of compound angles. Sin A plus B into sin A minus B. Sin square 90, that is 1. Sin A plus B is sin C. Sin A minus B. And C is 90 degrees again. So 1 by sin 90. 1 by sin A minus B, it goes up as cosecant A minus B. Sin 90 is 1, so this is cosecant A minus B. Right hand side is proved, cosecant A minus B. Now watch another question, important question, many times asked in many examinations. Show in triangle ABC that sigma A cube cos B minus C is equal to 3 pi A, that is ABC. Let me begin. Left hand side, sigma A cube cos B minus C. I am rewriting sigma A square into A cos B minus C. Now let sin A by A is equal to sin B by B is equal to sin C by C is equal to K. Such assumptions we have done earlier so many times. Sin A by A is equal to sin B by B is equal to sin C by C is equal to K. That follows. Now sin A is equal to AK, sin B is equal to BK, and sin C is equal to CK. Go back to this step. Sigma A cube cos B minus C is rewritten A square into A cos B minus C. I am working here now, concentrate. Watch carefully. A square, I have written AK, taking one K here, and AK will be written as sin A now. and you know sin A is sin B plus C. Cos B minus C. Sin A is sin B plus C, cos B minus C. Now, there is a formula in transformations which I am quoting here, please see. 2 sin alpha cos beta, 2 sin alpha cos beta is equal to sin alpha plus beta plus sin alpha minus beta. This is the formula in transformations. 2 sin alpha cos beta is equal to sin alpha plus beta plus sin alpha minus beta. There is no 2 here, I am introducing 2 also. Now this B plus C will be treated as alpha and B minus C as beta. So sin alpha cos beta, 2 sin alpha cos beta, this formula is being applied to this part. Keep watching attentively. A square, 2 sin alpha cos beta, sin alpha plus beta plus sin alpha minus beta. This is my alpha here, this is my beta here. I am writing, please see. Sin alpha plus beta, this is alpha, this is beta. Sin alpha plus beta plus sin alpha minus beta. This is alpha and this is beta. Once again, quickly, 1 by here a square into a into cos b minus c. A is written as ak by providing one a here, k here. So 1 by k a square sin a cos b minus c. Sin a is sin b plus c. So 2 sin b plus c cos b minus c, taking one more 2 here. So 1 by 2k sigma a square 2 sin alpha cos beta, that formula sin alpha plus beta plus sin alpha minus beta. Open this bracket, your C will cancel, leaving 2B. Here also open the bracket, this becomes plus, so sin 2C. Understand very well. Opening that bracket, you need not give another step for that purpose. Sin B plus C plus B minus C, C will cancel, sin 2B, similarly sin 2C. Sin 2b, there is a formula in multiple angles, 2 sin b cos b. Similarly, 2 sin c cos c. Two is common. Sin b is bk. Sin c is ck. Understand? 2 is common here, sigma a square, sin b is bk, sin c is ck. Now k also common, cancelling this k, 2 is already cancelled, so we are having now sigma a square b cos b plus c cos c. Please notice, we have not removed sigma till now. Otherwise, you may have to write the whole thing twice again. 1 by a sigma a square, again a square sin a cos b minus c. You have to write b square sin b, or again c square sin c. It will be very lengthy. Sigma is here. Make full utilization of sigma, and till now we have not disturbed sigma. Because of sigma only we have been able to save so much of time, not space, time. Space you can write here, no problem. Once again you can write sin 2b plus sin 2c, again b square sin 2c plus sin 2c, sin 2a, etc. But I am not doing all that. I am keeping sigma as it is, making full utilization of sigma. Now time has come to remove sigma. How to remove sigma? Concentrate here. Your first term is a square b cos b plus C cos C. This begins with A square, next term will begin with B square. This is B cos B, C cos C, next will start C cos C, A cos A. Plus A square into this, B square into this, now C square comes. B C cos C plus A cos A, next will be A cos A plus B cos B. Whenever you open sigma, please remember one thing, your first term will reoccur in the last term. That shows you have expanded sigma correctly. A square into this, B square into this, C square into this, that is easy to understand. Here B cos B plus C cos C, continue. C cos C plus A cos A, continue. A cos A plus B cos B. Notice finally B cos B is reappearing here. That shows you have correctly expanded sigma. Proceeding. Open fully. A square B cos B plus A square C cos C plus B square C cos C plus B square A cos A plus C square A cos A plus C square B or BC square, whatever. All the brackets have been opened. See once again, A square B cos B, A square C cos C, B square C cos C, B square A cos A, C square A cos A, C square B cos B. I am proceeding now. Combining the terms suitably, A square B is here, B square A is here. I will group these two terms suitably. A square B cos B plus B square A cos A. A square C here, C square A here. Suitably I am grouping these two. A square C cos C, C square A cos A. And the remaining terms, B square C cos C, C square B cos B. A square B clubbed with B square A square C clubbed with C square A, B square C clubbed with C square B, suitable combinations. Now in these two terms, first two terms AB is common. So what is left out inside? A cos B plus B cos A. In the next two terms, AC is common. A cos C plus C cos A. In the last two terms, BC is common. B cos C plus C cos B. AB into A cos B plus B cos A. Similarly, AC common, similarly BC common. Please note, there is a projection formula. A cos B plus B cos A is equal to C. Similar projection formula, A cos C, C cos A is equal to B. This also projection formula, B cos C, C cos B is equal to A. You can see ABC is 3 times. So 3 ABC. Or may I write 3 pi A as required?